I had my whole mouth redone in New York, and I thought that dentist was terrific. But upon meeting Dr. Abrahams, that he sort of went by the wayside, and I stopped going to New York and use him strictly. I strictly use Dr. Abrahams. So the implant went beautifully. I thought I was going to have a great deal of pain. There was a little apprehension from my experience in New York, but after having Dr. Abrahams and this gentleman who also works along with him, it was a wonderful experience. Was a little uncomfortable, and I called, and it was the weekend. I got a call back immediately. He said, "You want to come in?" I said, "No, I'm fine. Just tell me what to do." And he walked me through it. For having the implant, when it came to Dr. Abrahams, I think I broke my tooth. And then he said to me that he recommended that I have an implant. 'Cause I think there was a crown on it, and it was done. So he recommended an implant. I went through the procedures. He told me what to expect, and he was right on target as usual. Then he did the work, and then I had someone else in this office, I guess, an associate, do the other half of it, then came back, and Dr. Abrahams finished up, and as you can see, my teeth are perfect.